Dootchi emoji alternative app. So lonely or bored, Dootchi is your exclusive warm emotional buddy. No one to talk to, Dootchi's gentle AI companionship fills every warm moment you meet. You need core roleplay experience, privacy for security. Then you can just use this stress-free chat. It's very basic app. It's not like Emoji AI or Talk AI or Chai app alternative. This is very kind of minimalistic app, which seems to work. I will show you. So here you just have chats, just like that. And then you can just try to message. It works, but you don't have any advanced features, just chat. That's it. Then you have your chats, you can delete them. Then you have your account. You don't even have the option to basically create an account. I don't know why. So I don't know if this app is legit or not, but yeah, kind of very minimalistic chat with which you can just start chatting, and that's it. So yeah, that's kind of the idea in here. I don't know honestly if this app is completely legit, but there you have it.